Hey everybody, this is Steve, 1,000 Year Home. So, man, once again, by the time I start working, it's already sundown. So Friday, I have been busy, but not on my farm. But here's the deal. I found on Craigslist an old Craftsman bandsaw for $250. So I took the 60-mile drive and ta-da! Look, on a stand with a good solid motor on it, on a base, and I've only got a mill up to 6 inches. That's 6.5. Comes with 3 blades, including a fine blade. So, all right. So here we are. We're out in the middle of nowhere, no power poles. Let's find out if I can mill wood on that. So there it is, plugged into A. All plugged in, right down to my saw. Moment, drum roll. Ooh. All right, let's see if my truck can keep up with that. It can, 750 watts. All right, so I could even run AC on the other side. Let's turn that off. Oh, I could, an old Craftsman to boot, and this was probably made in America. If I look around in here, I'm gonna find a made in America somewhere. Sears. I'll look around later. I'm not that interested in proving its heritage, because I can look at it and tell it's made in America. Let's see. I'm looking. There's my model numbers. I'll look that up online. Maybe I can even find an old book. Oh, look, I could tip the, excellent. All right. So there we go. I think I'm going to get all these little teeny mesquites and I'm going to cut my own flooring. Oh, I don't know about that. That's a lot of work. Trust me, anybody that mills their own lumber says the same thing. I milled it. It took me 2 days, $500 in money, and 2 of us, and the math doesn't add up. But in my particular case, there's a little more to life in what I'm trying to, 1,000-year home. And every time I put a 6x6 in my shopping cart for delivery, it doesn't show up. So I am going to cut my own 6x6. Here's my idea. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use my Alaskan chainsaw mill. I did it by hand. It was terrible. But I'm going to use my Alaska chainsaw mill one side flat with a brand new chainsaw blade designed for cutting boards. And then once I had a flat end and I've got a big 12-inch thing, I think I can make a 6x6. I only need to make a few of them for inside. I am moving along on the inside. It's looking awesome. But some of the boards, I want them to be square, especially the ones around the door. I can't just hang a door on a log, So anyway, real excited. Like and subscribe. This will be just a little quick blog. I'm just so excited to have an old US-made Craftsman over there. I'm going to saw me some logs. I wonder how long it'll last. Will it last this whole thing? Anyway, guy who sold it to me, I want to thank. His grandpa had it, and I told him, my dad had a Craftsman. I want that Craftsman. I bought it without even trying it. So we will see how long it holds up. I'm hoping the whole line. And look, it rained out here while I was gone. Like, not much, but a little bit, maybe a ½ inch, maybe. I'll take whatever the good Lord sends above. I said the sky was stingy. Maybe I should apologize to the sky. No, because I was only 10% of the rain we're supposed to have so far. This is so hard, people. It's so hard. Anyway, I am glad that I am moving forward, and tomorrow I'll cut some logs up and I'll let y'all know. A rainbow in the sky in Texas. What does it mean? Out by my property, a rainbow. What does it mean? What does it mean? What is this thing you call rain? Is that what this is? Rain? Look, and right by whatever this used to be, some kind of a marker for a lodge of some sort or another. Incredible.